Ismaria,
Yes.
what are you drawing?
I'm drawing a bird.
You're drawing bird.
Okay, what's that?
Bird.
Okay, what's the eyes?
Eyes.
Eyes. And the mouth?
The eyes.
What's the mouth?
Mouth. Mouth. Mouth.
And the leg?
Leg.
And the wings?
And the wings?
Wings.
Oh, good!
It's your birdie.
Mr. Birdie, how old are you?
Three much.
The camera.
Three much.
You're 3 in March.
Big girl, you big girl? The camera.
I'm not baby. I'm not baby. I can't.
You kaka.
Okay, say bye-bye to the camera. Come.